Save time and avoid the hassle through an easy-to-use publishing tool to create and schedule your social posts. Create appealing visual content to drive engagement. Easily monitor what customers and prospects are talking about you on social media. Create and publish posts to multi-location social accounts across multiple social platforms at once. Maintain brand voice across social media while having local nuances. To begin, click on the Social tab. Click on Create Post to schedule or publish posts across social channels. Select the social channel, then locations and pages you want to publish the post on. Click on the Apply button to save the changes. Or you can also choose multiple social channels to publish the post at one go. Once you have selected the pages, add the content you want to post in the text box. Use the @character dimension and tag a person or a brand on the post. You can also use various hashtags as well as select emojis from here to add to the post. Want to add an image, GIF, or a video to the post? Even that's possible by clicking on the attachments icon. Birdeye's visual editor allows you to create and publish visually appealing content directly on social media. Let's dive in and explore how it works. Click on the visual editor icon. The very first option is to choose a template. You can choose from a host of images Birdeye provides based on different industry verticals or upload one of your own. Let's try uploading one. This option helps you create a background image for your post. You can zoom in and out from here and click on Undo to reverse the action. Next up is the Layout option. This option helps you crop or resize the image based on different dimensions. You can choose a layout from the preset layouts or manually add the size in the crop size section. You also have the option to add text to the graphic. Select Edit to enter the text, and then click on Save to save the text. Click on Duplicate to make a copy of the text field and Delete to delete the text field. You also get to choose the font family, size, alignment, color, and line spacing of the text in the editor. Click on the Sticker button in the left panel to select inbuilt stickers and colors per your choice. You can also add logos and stickers from your system by clicking on Upload Sticker. Let's try uploading one. Finally, you can adjust your post contrast, brightness, color exposure, and more. Once you're done editing the post, click on Add to Post to attach the graphic to your social post. Click on Personalize to add personalized tokens to the post, such as your location name, address, state, business description, and more. Once the post is formulated, you can either choose to schedule the post for a future time and date by clicking on Schedule Post, or you can click on a drop-down button to post now or even save it as a draft to rework on the post. Let's save this post as a draft and see where this could be found. You can find this post under the Drafts tab and click on Edit to start working on the same post. While the published or scheduled posts will appear on the Published tab with the timestamp and the social channels it was published or scheduled for. After landing on the Published tab, the default view would be the calendar week view with the current week selected. The Engage tab helps you monitor and respond to brand mentions or comments, while the Analyze tab helps you provide performance reports of posts across all social channels, such as impressions, reach, engagements, and more. Hope you found this video helpful. For more how-to videos, subscribe to our Birdeye YouTube channel.